Hi, my name is Sherman Jones, and I'm one of the founders of the Black Paint Studio, which is located right here on Queen Street, 1158 Queen Street. Now, the idea behind this gallery is to allow artists who hasn't had the opportunity to show their work at major galleries to come and have an opportunity to show it. We'll be featuring 8 artists at the opening, which is November 1st. We'll be doing we'll be showing, we'll have bands, we'll have music, we'll have video presentations, we'll have all kinds of different stuff that's going on. All right, it's November 1st, starts at 6 and goes till 10. Okay, right now we're on Queen Street here where Black Paint Studio is situated, just a couple of houses down, a couple of stores down. And we'll be showing, we're still in the process of putting in the final touches. Right, we did a sign, we did the lighting and everything. We're trying to do quality work so that they can actually come out, and artists can come out, the public can come out and really understand the concept of Black Paint Studio. See, today is the countdown begins when we're gonna really start hyping it up. We need your support. We need the people to come out at the opening. We also need the buyers to come out to help purchase the work from the artists, and so that they can give their support and give their promotion to a good and worthy cause. Like, it's been a long time since we've been planning this, right? And we're glad to see that now it's taking some kind of form, some kind of shape, some kind of direction. The key is that to get the artists who are undiscovered, who are discovered, and who are on their way up to sort of come out and do something really, really productive. You know, it's not time now for us to really get things going, and it's going to be happening. Remember, at Black Paint Studio, 1158 Queen Street West, Saturday, November 1st, from 6 p.m. We'll be doing, we'll be opening our grand opening. Hope to see you there. Ready? Yeah.